PAHO is calling on member nations, including Grenada, to prepare for the purchasing and distribution of a COVID-19 vaccine and to prioritize who will be first in line. Director of the Pan American Health Organization, Dr. Carissa Etienne, the regional branch of the World Health Organization, said Wednesday during a remote briefing from Washington that at first they will not have enough doses to protect everyone and it will be important to prioritize. Still, in anticipation of a vaccine rollout, PAHO this week is convening health ministers from across the region in an extraordinary session. GBN attempted to reach Grenada's Health Minister, Dr. Nicholas Steele, during the last 2 days for comment, but he was said to be in lengthy engagements and unable to speak with us. We also approached Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Health, Dr. Francis Martin, for comment on Grenada's procurement and rollout plan. He said they are still in discussions on the matter and that no firm decisions have been made. He alluded to a meeting among health officials, which is in progress. Vaccination campaigns have always been challenging in Latin America and the Caribbean, where countries have long struggled to vaccinate their population against diseases that are eradicated elsewhere in the world. Some are skeptical about taking the vaccine, as a myriad of conspiracy theories abound. Caribbean leaders have started articulating various points of views on the subject, as they will be expected to drum up support among the populace. Grenada's Prime Minister Dr. Keith Mitchell told a parliamentary sitting this week that he would be among the first to take the vaccine.
There are several initiatives led by the CARICOM region and OECS to make sure when the vaccine becomes available that we'll get our share. And I want to make it clear, Mr. Speaker, when it comes, and if the experts' medical advice says it isn't safe, that I will take mine. And I will do what some leaders are doing, do it publicly, so that people understand that it is safe. Because I know the kind of argument that is taking place internationally. But some people might be frightened that this thing is not safe.
Prime Minister Mitchell has also found an ally on the vaccine use through fellow CARICOM leader St. Lucia's Prime Minister Alan Chester.
If I need to travel, I'm going to have the vaccine. So I think that, if you don't have to travel, then you may have that option. But certainly if you are going to be required to travel, and there may be some companies that are going to require persons to take a vaccine. And why? Because the threat of being closed down at any one point is very disruptive to business.
Last month, PAHO said its initial goal will be to vaccinate 20% of the population in Latin America and the Caribbean against the novel coronavirus. Low-income countries in the region will be helped by the COVAX facility, a WHO alliance that was created to ensure equitable access to the COVID-19 vaccines. For GBN News, Janelle MacDonald.